how to fix GTA 5 FPS drop problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, just go to settings and then go to gaming. After that, just click here. Here we'll find Xbox bar, just make sure it's disabled, then go to game mode, make sure it's enabled. After that, just close this bar here and this tab, and then right click here, go to task manager. After that, go to details. Now once you're here, just launch GTA 5 and then come back here to task manager, details, scroll down until you find GTA 5, and let's say that this is GTA 5. Right click on it, go to set priority and make it high, and then click change priority. And now I don't mean to do it obvious, just you need to scroll until you find Grand Theft Auto V, and then right click on it and do the same thing. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.